Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you won't miss an upload from me. Today, I'm gonna take you guys along with me while I give my closet a little refresh because it definitely needs to be dusted in there. I need to take everything off the shelves and clean it and put it back. So if you guys are interested in doing a little clean with me and a little decorate with me all in the same video in my closet, you guys, let's hop into the video. Bye.
Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me you're lost, feel so blue, leaving me on the spot so confused. Oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude.
Alright guys, so the first order of business is getting all this dust off these shelves. So I'm going to spray everything down, wipe everything down, and I'm going to do a little bit of vacuuming with my new Shark vacuum. I'm so excited about that. And I'm just going to let you guys enjoy everything, and I'll talk to you in a second.
Keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Dance on the beat. I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream. Keep on dreaming about us, babe. Hey. Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. It might go like you don't like it. You know I'm down with you the nicest. Nobody touch me in a right this.
I love to walk into my closet and it feels like I am walking into a boutique. If you've been on this journey with me for a while, you've seen the full transformation. And if you're interested, I will link a video to how we put this closet together in the description box for you guys can go check that out because it was fairly cheap to get this closet done. But I love my closet and I love decorating it. A lot of times I just go in there and sit on that bench and think. I really, really do.
Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this through. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. You have to work. Send me if you work. See me do me da 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 da. Saw me put in work. Then you want to la 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 la. You don't care if you're not hurt. Work.
done at work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't give that away to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to be done. If you come over, sorry if I'm way less friendly. I've got guys trying to end me, oh. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You could pick the time and the place. You spent some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all that. Now you need to forward and give me all that.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance.
I just want to say thank you so much for being on this journey with me. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to the channel. I am so happy to have you here. To all my old subscribers, thank you so much for just supporting me as usual. So if you guys are loving this video, go ahead and check out my playlist so you can see many more videos that I have. But until the next one, I'll see you then. Bye, guys.
Baby, calling it wasted.